Section 4, number 12, you're going to decide whether the lengths can form a triangle. There is a rule for the triangle, okay? It is that the short plus the short, these are all referred to the sides, of course. If you add the two short ones together, it has to be greater than the long side, all right? This has to hold true for this. So the two short ones here are 12 and 9. So 9 inch plus 12 inch has to be greater than the 15 inch. Is that true? 9 inch plus 12 inch, that gets us 21 inch. That is greater than 51 inch. So if we draw this triangle, this is a valid triangle here. All right, let's do B here, the short and the short. So 4 centimeters plus 10 centimeters. Let's see if that is greater than that long of 17 centimeters. 4 centimeters plus 10 centimeters is 14 centimeters. Is this greater than 17 centimeters? This is not true. So a triangle cannot be made. Cannot be made. All right, there you go. That is how you can determine whether a triangle can or cannot be made. Short plus short side has to be greater than its longest side.